How old are you?
4, 5.
Okay. Mm, what do you like about Mr. Aaron?
Good.
You think
Great.
he's good? Okay. Um, how long have you been coming here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like arts and craft?
Yeah. No. What? And not say video games. I do.
What's your favorite
And
video
I
game?
don't. Um, Roblox.
Okay, and your favorite video game?
Mm, Fortnite.
Fortnite. Okay. Oh, do you got more than one favorite video game?
Freddy.
Freddy?
And I have one.
Five Nights at Freddy? No?
And vacation, vacation game.
You like Vacation Day? What is your
I
favorite?
wasn't. I did go to the base tomorrow.
Hmm?
I did go to the base tomorrow. And I'm going to go to go to uh go to um I'm going to my little sister's house.
Okay, so that's all the questions I got for you, okay? Make sure to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and not miss out. And see ya on the next video.
This is crazy.
It's really crazy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why it is crazy.
This is so good.
I don't know how to speak crazy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our like and subscribe channel. I don't know how to crazy. Bye.